organizing, directing, and controlling resources to achieve organizational goals. It is an essential part of any successful organization, regardless industry. Managers play a vital role in ensuring that organizations run smoothly and efficiently. They are responsible for a wide range of tasks, including setting goals and objectives, developing and implementing strategies, allocating resources, recruiting, training, and managing staff, motivating and leading teams, communicating with stakeholders. Scope of management: planning, organizing, directing, controlling. The scope of management is broad and encompasses a wide range of activities. However, all of these activities can be grouped into four main functions: planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Planning is the process of setting goals and objectives and developing strategies to achieve them. Organizing is the process of creating a structure for the organization and allocating resources to achieve its goals. Directing is the process of motivating and leading employees to achieve the organization's goals. Controlling is the process of monitoring and evaluating performance to ensure that the organization is on track to achieve its goals. Management is a complex and challenging field, but it is also essential for the success of any organization. On-screen text. By understanding the scope and functions of management, managers can be more effective in leading their teams and achieving their goals. Management is an important and rewarding career. It is an opportunity to make a difference in the world and to help others achieve their